which is the ultimate motorhome for 2025 and 2026. The stylish Ford RV or the luxurious Mercedes-Benz camper van. Stay tuned because today we're comparing every detail, design, comfort, technology, and price so you can decide which home on wheels is perfect for your next adventure. The 2025 Ford Motorhome has a bold and practical design with wide bottlings, strong alloy wheels, and a functional roof setup for storage and solar panels. Meanwhile, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome goes for a premium look with aerodynamic curves, panoramic windows, and sleek LED lighting that gives it a futuristic edge. Step inside the Ford, and you'll see a smart layout with comfortable captain seats, a lounge area, and foldable tables for meals. It's practical and family-friendly. The Mercedes 2026 interior, however, feels more luxurious soft-touch upholstery, ambient LED lighting, and premium cabinetry make it feel closer to a five-star hotel than a camper van. In the Ford, the kitchen setup includes an induction cooktop, compact fridge, sink, and storage cabinets, everything you need for travel cooking. The Mercedes kitchen takes things further with marble-style counters, larger refrigerator options, and hidden storage solutions, giving it a cleaner, high-end look. Both models include a wet bath with shower, toilet, and sink. The Ford design is simple, reliable, and easy to maintain. Mercedes, on the other hand, offers more space, elegant chrome fixtures, and better ventilation, making long journeys much more comfortable. The Ford Motorhome offers flexible beds, convertible sofas, and foldable benches that save space. Mercedes upgrades the experience with memory foam mattresses, panoramic skylights, and adjustable bed layouts for maximum relaxation. Technology is where these RVs shine. Ford's 2025 model has USB ports, LED lighting, and optional solar power. Mercedes 2026 adds smart climate control, touchscreen panels, and advanced sound systems, giving it an edge for tech lovers. Ford is built tough for highways and light off-road adventures, offering strong handling and durability. The Mercedes, built on its legendary Sprinter chassis, delivers smoother driving, better fuel efficiency, and advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control. The 2025 Ford Motorhome starts around $110,000, making it a strong value for families and first-time buyers. The Mercedes 2026, starting around $145,000, is more expensive but delivers unmatched luxury, technology, and comfort. So, which would you choose, the practical Ford 2025 or the premium Mercedes 2026? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love motorhome comparisons, don't forget to subscribe to HomeOnWheelTV for more tours, reviews, and van life content.